What going on, baby? I don't know. Let's see if I can get a water bottle over here. Put y'all over. Yeah, we went to, yeah. We ate strawberry, chocolate, and butterfruit. I know. I'll treat myself today. I got not one, not two, but three bagel sandwiches from McDonald's. Just really trying them out. That's what I like. So far, the weakest is the bacon, egg, and cheese. I ain't too weak, it's just not like. The best has to be the steak. Sweet tea. Sweet tea. Only coffee. Only soda. I do juice, but sometimes people really bad. So I'm not going to devour those. And we're going to go back and make another review. Yeah. How do you like your bagel egg sandwich? A little light, but bacon's good.
Cientos de miles de niños alrededor del mundo viven con labio hendido y pulgar hendido. Y cada día nacen 500 más, destinados a una vida de sufrimiento, porque sus familias no pueden costear la cirugía de cuentas que es necesaria para pagar.
Give up certain foods, I can't do it. Should be too good, should be seasoned. Yeah, it should be too seasoned. I don't know what sauce that is. It's yellow too. Let's get a dripping. It's like yellow. It's like a little bit of mustard, some mayonnaise, obviously, and like some kind of relish. I don't know about you, but my dad would season his eggs like he seasoned meat. It was good to have those plain eggs sometimes growing up. And to the makers of Dairy Queen, serve breakfast. Y'all have amazing food. I believe y'all can do it. They got like things on the walls. All right, you can eat for only 10 cents. It's almost like the 1950s. Crazy. Like my teachers. You can do that. You can do that. We know we're talking. Yeah, forget about it. I'll tell you guys. No, why not? Literally, less than 20 minutes ago, it was just warm. Beautiful. Sunny Saturday, Easter weekend. Hope y'all enjoy your Easter weekend. Wait, there's nothing. Okay, closer. What about that? That's what I was saying yesterday to myself. That's why white men are the way they are. When it comes to cockiness, I think that they're better than you. Or just, you know what I mean? But now they look down on you. You have a history like this. It's like they made burgers and fries. Type shit, you know what I mean? You know? They made McDonald's. So of course they're gonna, you know, it's their mentality. I'm gonna save this steak. The steak actually is the best. Looks like it has some onions in there, some cheese. I remember eating this when I was younger, and it was delicious. When you get that parent buys you whatever you want, whatever you want. At least when it comes to fast food. The sausage one's kind of basic. I really don't like it. I think it needs jelly. My personal opinion. Wish they put the egg in the middle. Okay. Man, oh my god. I'm gonna have to get my stuff because I left it outside and it's about to rain. It's in 20 minutes. But already about to rain. Alright. I really hope it doesn't rain because I would really suck right now. Put some hash browns in here. These hair talks. Let's see what they're talking about. Ketchup. I think jelly would have been better. Next time we go with jelly, I like the sweet and saltiness, the fattiness of the sausage and the egg. And sweetness really helps it out. Ketchup really doesn't really help it out. Let's see what it's talking about. I like about the bagel that it holds. I like about the bagel that it holds. It's better, but I do believe that the jelly and the whole hash brown in there. Point. But, I guess that's what happens, you know. I'm watching this. I think they've been everywhere. That's amazing. It's amazing too. I don't know, sometimes I just want the eggs. That's all I want. Sometimes I just want the eggs. You know, it's weird when you're eating on camera. It's like, you can see yourself eating. And it's just like, it's kind of weird. I've never actually sat there and watched myself eat. It's kind of gross. I don't know about you guys. You know, McDonald's sells the bagels by themselves. Plain bagels. I'm looking all this stuff cream cheese on the side. And this right here, you got to pay a lot of money too. It's like $20 for all the McDonald's. For the Dairy Queen, it was like $9. That's only $30 right now. But you gotta treat yourself sometimes. You gotta treat yourself. Like, y'all know me. I got trash cans. Save money. Straight up, you know? But sometimes you gotta treat yourself. Sometimes you gotta enjoy it. You get it now. Those strawberries. You got some. It's like cleaned up a little bit. I have to clean up. While I'm eating, it's just something happens. So, last but not least, steak and egg. There's a lot of sauce on this one. Wow. Steak and egg is really big choice. Wow. Wow. The steak and egg is wow. The caramelized onions. You need more mix at home, I ain't gonna lie. This is so delicious. This is the winner. So, the best bites in the middle because of how much dough. Check it out. So, I had a great time yesterday. I watched this movie called First Period. So, it's one of the movies where the actors, it's hard to explain it, because there's movies, right, where, like, you have characters that play drag queens, right? But then you have characters that are drag queens, and you're playing girls in movies. And you have like, actors that are drag queens. You know what I'm saying? But they're not in drag in the movie. They're drag queens in the movie. Weird. So, it's one of those comedies. It's a teen drama comedy. A teen drama comedy. But exactly though. That's what it is. Man. This is too good, it makes no sense. I must be careful with these. I'll get you in trouble. Yesterday I pretty much ate fully raw to the end of the day. Did my burger last night. I tried the nachos and the grilled chicken burger because grilled chicken sandwich. But just grilled chicken burger just rolls out the tongue a little more easier. It's more quicker. If you're saying sandwich, you say burger. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. This is dangerous. This is very dangerous. This is so dangerous, I'm scared to eat it again. Because it's too good. This is the exact definition of chicken 2 seasons. This is it right here. I don't know, that's delicious. Wow. That steak, the eggs, the caramel and onions, the cheese, the yum yum sauce. What do I call that sauce?